If you want a simple way to double your digital product sales on Etsy without paying for ads or without posting on social media, then you'll want to watch this video. Your listing photos are what convinces someone to either buy your product or to just keep scrolling past it. So I'm going to share with you 5 of the listing photo hacks that I've used to make over 4,500 sales in my Etsy shop without paying for ads, without posting on social media, and I have less than 50 digital products in my Etsy shop. So I'm gonna share my screen and hop over to Etsy so I can show you what listing photos are just to make sure we're all on the same page. Whenever you get over to Etsy, you can type up here something in the search bar. I'll just do something simple like template. And when we scroll down here, all of these are listing photos. That is what I'm going to be showing you, how to make better listing photos. Here I am over on Canva, and this is going to be listing photo hack number 1, and that is going to be including a bonus. This is just a quick example. Want a bonus? 12 affirmation stickers. So let's say they're buying a self-care planner and that they can get these affirmation stickers for free as a bonus, then they're going to be more inclined to purchase your product because they feel like they're getting something for free, like they're getting something extra and they don't have to pay for it. So including a bonus with your product is a quick and simple way to increase your sales. And you don't need to do anything fancy to include a bonus, like set up email marketing or anything like that. You can just add the bonus as part of the product. So it can just be like an extra page or however many pages that are included with the product. Listing photo hack number 2 that will help you make more sales is going to be cross-promoting your other products. So this is what I mean by cross-promoting. So in one of my listings for a routine chart, I have this as a listing photo that the routine chart will pair well with the chore charts. And then I have a picture here of the chore charts just so they can see what it looks like. And then if they want it, they can go to the description and grab both of these products. So this is called cross-promoting. So they found my product by looking for a routine chart. And in the listing photos, I'm saying, hey, you should grab this routine chart. And while you're at it, you should also grab the chore charts because they work really well together. Another example of cross-promotion would be offering multiple products, just adding elements. So if we're here in Canva, we can go over here to elements and you can just type in iPad and you'll see here the different types of iPads and you'll just pop a picture of your product in the iPad. It's that simple. People can see multiple products that you have in your Etsy shop, so they are more inclined to click over to your shop and look around and buy more products. Listing photo hack number 3 is the how it works photo. So people aren't going to buy your product if it feels too complicated to use, if they don't know how to use it, they're not sure like what they're supposed to do. So you want to make sure people know how they're supposed to access your product, how they're supposed to use it. And so with my routine charts, I have here that it's made in Canva. That's how you can edit it. You just need the free version. I'm letting them know that they don't have to pay for anything extra to use this product. And then I tell them how it all works. They're going to open it up. Like I just list out the steps here to make it super simple for them to use this product. Another example of how it works is going to be just something like this. This is just one of my printables and it says you can add the item to your cart, check out, access it in your Etsy account, print it or import it. Like as simple as 1, 2, 3. So you want to let them know how they can access their product, how they can use the product so that it feels very simple and it takes away that friction of them being confused about your product. Listing photo hack number 4 is going to be the what's included listing photo. And this is just telling the people everything they're going to get when they purchase your product so that they can see the value of getting your product over someone else's. And so if someone else just has random pictures of their product, you know, the customer's like, oh, that's cute. But if they come to my product and they're like, wow, I get all of this for around the same price, then they're going to be more inclined to get my product because I'm letting them know everything that's included. So you want to point out different pages of your product so that the customer can see what they're getting, what the product looks like, and they don't have any surprises where they're like, oh, well, I thought this would include this, that, or the other, and it didn't. So you want to make sure your customer knows what they're going to get so that they don't come back and ask for a refund because they thought they were getting other things. And listing photo hack number 5 that will increase your sales is to make sure that you are calling out a sale or a discount that you are offering so that people will go ahead and either buy now or they'll buy more product. This sale that I had running, it's the buy 3 printables and you get 50% off, which is an amazing deal. And I have a lot of people take me up on this offer. And so you don't have to do 50% off. You can do whatever you want, like buy 2, get 25% off, you know, whatever it is you want to do. But make sure in your listing photos that you are telling people what type of sale or discount they can get so that they go ahead and purchase now instead of saying like, oh, I'll do this later. Like they want to know that they can save money money. So let's go ahead and add this to the cart and we're going to spend more money, but we get to save some money too. So call out your sales or discounts so that it creates more urgency and they go ahead and buy now and hopefully buy more products. And just because you've stuck around this long, I'm going to give you a bonus listing photo hack, and that is going to be the testimonial listing photo. People are less hesitant to buy your product when they know that other people are enjoying the product. So if you can call out some testimonials, especially 5-star reviews that you have, then people are going to be more likely to go ahead and purchase your product because they can see that it is a good product. So if we're calling out reviews that we have gotten, and all I did was go down to my reviews, take a screenshot, and then just edit them in Canva like this, just like crop out the person's name and all of that. That's all that I did here. You're letting people know right here in the listing photos that other people are enjoying this product and you should too. So let's go ahead and buy it. So that is your bonus listing photo hack that will help you get more sales. Your listing photos are the very first impression someone has of your products, so you want to make sure they can immediately see the value your product is going to provide. But there are some common mistakes that I see people making over and over again, so definitely watch this video next where I call out those mistakes and show you how to fix those listing photo mistakes so that you can actually make sales on Etsy without paying for ads, without posting on social media, and without having thousands of products in your Etsy shop. So head here to watch that video next, and I'll see you soon.